loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are making
Something quick, tangy and absolutely delicious.
tomato fried rice. Is it spicy or mild?
It can be both. It's a full of flavor, not too spicy. I'll show you the balanced version.
Okay.
Let's wash fresh tomato. First we cook tomato. Oil. Tomatoes. Let's cook tomatoes to smash smoothly. We need to take red tomatoes. Why? Because it will cook easily and taste also very good. If you want, you can grind in the mixer raw tomato, but I like this way. We need to cook another 5 more minutes. By the time we will prepare boiled rice. I'm adding some oil. Let's remove the tomato peel.
ప్రమాదమా
అరగదు అంతే
అరే అంతేనా
వచ్చేస్తారు రిటర్న్ మన బాడీ వేసిద్దా పని
ఎట్లా వెళ్ళిందంటే వచ్చిందా బయటికి
అంతే. I'm using this stick to mash the tomato. When I was a kid, my grandma uses this kind of a stick. When I'm using this stick, I'm remembering those days. It's a very happy moment. Soaked basmati rice. Salt. Oil. Ghee. Spices. Cumin seeds. Cashew nuts. Dry red chillies. Onion. Saute until onions become brown color. Ginger garlic paste. Now we will add tomato puree. Wow. Salt. Turmeric powder. Red chilli powder. Garam masala. Pav bhaji masala. Cook until evaporates excess water from the tomato puree. Tomatoes. Green chillies and sliced ginger. Wow, chaliye. Now we will add boiled rice. Coriander and mint leaves. అందుకే అదేసింది. Let's prepare raita. Curd, green chillies and onions, pomegranate, salt, finally garnish with spring onions.
अभी कितना में देता 3,000 ले जाओ, 60 पैसा दिया उसको बताया.
Wow, I can't wait to taste it. Woo! Tomato fried rice with raita. Awesome combination. Wow. Mild spicy, not too spicy.
Yes.
Awesome flavor. Delicious flavor.
With either combination, with pomegranate,
Pomegranates, sweet, sour, spicy, everything. Awesome combination.
perfect.
In between that cardamom, giving extra flavor to this recipe. Tomato fried rice. Super! Delicious. ఒకరి మీద ఒకరు పెట్టారా ఇష్టం కదమ్మా నీకు